Welcome back to TechVibe. If you are planning to buy a new portable drone right now, you need to freeze and stop immediately. Internal industry blueprints and supply chain leaks have just completely exposed DJI's next flagship, the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. This single device is about to change everything we know about lightweight aerial filmmaking, hacking mind-blowing Hollywood cinema hardware into a frame that completely bypasses strict FAA and global aviation regulations. Today, we are breaking down the authentic hardware leaks and engineering shifts that are rendering larger, expensive drones totally obsolete. For years, choosing a sub-249-gram drone meant accepting serious compromises in image quality and flight safety. But the blueprint data reveals that DJI has completely shattered the small drone barrier. The absolute headline upgrade of the Mini 6 Pro is a massive new 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. To put this in perspective, previous models utilized a much smaller 1.3-inch sensor. Moving to a true 1-inch stacked architecture completely eliminates rolling shutter and jello distortion while dramatically altering low-light performance. Because the sensor is stacked, the data processing speeds are lightning fast, allowing the drone to capture massive dynamic range without artifacting. The biggest surprise hidden in the supply chain data is the introduction of true 6K video capabilities at 60 frames per second, alongside a blazing fast 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion. Professional creators in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia know how critical high-resolution shooting is for post-production. With 6K resolution, you can seamlessly crop, reframe, or punch in on your shots for vertical social media platforms while maintaining a flawless native 4K output. This completely eliminates the need to fly multiple missions or carry heavy cinema gear to get both horizontal and vertical master files. But DJI didn't stop at just increasing the resolution. The leaked lens configuration details a true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f/1.8 down to f/11. If you are a Part 107 commercial pilot or an alpine travel vlogger, you know the frustration of having to land your drone just to swap physical neutral density filters when the lighting conditions shift. With a mechanical iris built directly into the Mini 6 Pro gimbal, you can control your light transmission and maintain perfect cinematic shutter speeds on the fly right from your remote controller. The f/1.8 opening combined with the 1-inch sensor means this sub-249-gram machine will capture cleaner nighttime cityscapes and low-light landscapes than many professional ground cameras on the market today. Safety and navigation are also getting a massive evolutionary leap that will protect your investment from catastrophic crashes. According to internal components leaks, the Mini 6 Pro is replacing traditional vision sensors with a revolutionary omnidirectional nightscape LiDAR system. Standard obstacle avoidance systems rely heavily on visible light, meaning they become almost completely useless during twilight or night flights. This new millimeter-precise LiDAR active scanning technology works by sending out invisible light pulses, making a perfect three-dimensional view of the surroundings in pitch-black darkness. Whether you are navigating dense urban environments like New York or London, or tracking an athlete through a thick forest canopy at dusk, the drone creates an uncrashable bubble around itself. To support this massive processing power and high-resolution camera gear, the drone requires a serious power upgrade. Supply chain documents reveal that DJI is introducing a high-density solid-state battery chemistry to the Mini lineup for the very first time. By moving away from traditional lithium-ion cells, DJI has packed drastically more energy capacity into the exact same physical footprint. The leaked technical specifications indicate an astonishing maximum flight time of up to 60 minutes. What makes this a true engineering miracle is that the total weight of the aircraft still sits precisely at 248 grams with the standard battery installed. This means you get an hour of professional flight time without being forced to register your drone with civil aviation authorities or deal with restrictive geofencing and paperwork required for heavier aircraft. The transmission system is also receiving a major overhaul with the debut of the DJI 5 system. This next-generation transmission protocol introduces 5G cellular bonding alongside standard radio frequencies. Urban creators frequently suffer from signal drops and screen freezing due to intense electromagnetic interference from cell towers and Wi-Fi networks. The O5 system maintains a rock-solid, low-latency 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second even when flying at extended distances behind concrete structures, seamlessly switching to cellular data if the direct radio line is interrupted. When it comes to advanced software features, The onboard AI processing unit has been upgraded to support ActiveTrack 6.0. The new system uses advanced machine learning algorithms to predict subject movement. Even if a vehicle or a person disappears completely behind a building or a dense row of trees, the drone analyzes the speed and trajectory to maintain a perfect lock, reacquiring the subject the exact millisecond they re-emerge into view. It also introduces automated cinematic flight paths that mimic professional Hollywood camera crane movements with a single tap on your screen. According to global supply chain scheduling data, the official launch window for the DJI Mini 6 Pro is tracking toward the final quarter of 2026. Production lines are already ramping up components manufacturing. As for the pricing structure, internal leaks suggest the standard package will start around $899, while the highly anticipated Fly More combo, which includes the upgraded RC2 controller with an integrated high brightness display and extra solid-state batteries, will land right around $1,149. While this sits at a premium compared to older entry-level models, the inclusion of a 1-inch stack sensor, 6K optics, and LiDAR technology positions this drone as a direct competitor to units that cost twice as much. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro completely erases the divide between portable convenience and professional cinema-grade output. It is clear that DJI designed this device specifically to empower independent filmmakers and content creators who need to move quickly without being weighed down by heavy equipment or legal red tape. What feature are you most excited to see when this flagship officially drops? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay completely ahead of the curve with authentic technology leaks, professional hardware analysis, and deep dives into the future of consumer electronics, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching TechVibe, and we will see you in the very next breakdown.